Hey guys, welcome to my guitar course. In this video I want to share with you all 6 chords that are in the key of C major. So the first chord in the key of C major is gonna be C as well, and you can see that by the way, this is first finger, second finger, third finger, and the fourth finger. So now the third finger is on the 5th string in the 3rd fret. Then my second finger is on the 4th string in the 2nd fret. My first finger is on the 2nd string in the 1st fret. Do, mi, so, do, mi. The second chord in the key of C is gonna be D minor. So my first finger is on the first string in the 1st fret. Then my second finger is on the 3rd string in the 2nd fret. My third finger is on the 2nd string in the 3rd fret. Here we go. You strum off finger pick from the 4th string, this string. Then the third chord is gonna be E minor. You can as well do this kind of fingering. So now my third finger is on the 2nd fret my third finger is on the 5th string in the 2nd fret. My fourth finger, or the little finger, is on the 4th string in the 2nd fret, and you strum all strings. Then we're gonna go into the 4th chord. Is gonna be F major. Okay, we are here. Then you slide just 1 fret higher. Then you add this finger. So my first finger is barring in the 1st fret, all the strings. Then my second finger is on the 3rd string in the 2nd fret. Then my third finger is on the 5th string in the 3rd fret. My fourth finger is on the 4th string in the 3rd fret, and there you go. That is F major. Then the 5th chord is gonna be G major. This is the kind of like traditional G major, but you can also use this one as well. So I'm gonna use this one. Very common if you're switching to C major. Okay, so now my third finger is on the 6th string in the 3rd fret. Then my second finger is on the 5th string in the 2nd fret. Then my little finger, or the 4th finger, is on the 1st string from the bottom in the 3rd fret. Then you strum all strings. This is the 5th chord. Then the 6th chord is gonna be A minor. La minor. So A minor, first finger is on the 2nd string in the 1st fret. Then my second finger is on the 4th string in the 2nd fret. Then my third finger is on the 3rd string in the 2nd fret. Then you strum from the 5th string. There you go. Okay, then if you want, you can go to the 7th chord, which is gonna be like D. This is gonna be like B diminished chord, but I'm not going to the diminished chord because this is the out of the scope of this tutorial. Then you're gonna go to 8th chord. It's gonna be our first chord. That is C major, the same as this. These are the 7. Actually, these are the 6 main chords you're gonna need if you wanna learn the key of C major. Hopefully you learned something out of this kind of tutorial, and if you wanna learn more about guitar, make sure you join my course by subscribing, and feel free if you wanna share this video if you find it very helpful. I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Ciao ciao.